you guys, this install came out so cute. Keep watching the video if you want to see how I achieved this look. Big shout out to the Amazon company that sent me this. This hair is bomb. And it was only $114. I'm going to put the link in the description. Today I'm going to be reviewing this bomb highlight wig. This is the name of the brand. I don't want to pronounce it wrong, but this is the name of the brand, and you can find them on Amazon. They sent me a 20-inch wig, 13x4 frontal wig. Right when I seen it, I fell in love instantly because the color is so pretty and it's body wave. I love curls, so you know, body wave is the best to go. They sent some cute little gifts in there. They sent me some lashes and wig caps, which came in handy. The wig came pre-plucked and it already had a middle part. I'm gonna pluck it some more, and I think I'm gonna do a side part, so you'll see. But they plucked it real good. Welcome to my channel. It's Tisha Isabella. By the title of the video, you guys already know what it is. I'm about to do an install on this highlight wig. I already customized her. I didn't do no baby hairs yet because I'm gonna do that on screen with you guys. But yeah, I did it in the side part already. So, you know, if y'all want to see how I do my parts and stuff, just let me know. I just go ahead and do it so the video won't be so long. But if y'all want to see how I customize it, just let me know. But yeah. Today, you guys, I did some different. If you already watch me, you know I don't ever do the ball cap. But I did it today. The first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and apply my glue. As you guys know, I use Ghost Bun. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into the video. Since I never do the ball cap method, this is something different to me. But I see that they put the glue and run it up the cap so the cap stays as well. So that's what I'm doing for this install. While the Ghost Bun is drying, I'm going to go ahead and put the makeup foundation on my lace. I use this Ruby Kisses and it works wonders for me. I went a darker shade and it be blending. That's how the lace look after you apply the makeup. Now that my Ghost Bun is dry, I'm going to add my second layer, and I'm only going to do 2 layers on this install. Now I'm going to lay the wig down into the glue, and I just like to comb it out to make sure the hair is not sticking and making a mess. I'm going to add got to be glue spray around the edges just to give it that extra hold, and I'm going to blow dry it. I've seen someone say they add spritz instead of got to be glue spray. I'm going to try that next. I got to get some spritz, but that may be a good idea as well. The wig is good and secured. Now I'm gonna cut the lace. So after I cut the lace, I seen that, some of the lace wasn't blending. So I went in with my makeup with my small brush and just started adding. This spot didn't get any ghost bun, so I'm gonna add a small layer underneath it and let it dry. I'm about to put my elastic band on, so I'm gonna do one more layer of that Got to Be glue spray. I'm gonna leave the elastic band on for a little minute just to let it melt the lace. Pull out the hairs where you want the baby hairs at. Use whatever you use to cut your baby hairs. I use a razor. I'm gonna use the hot comb just to give it that flat effect. I'm gonna gently go over my baby hairs. Be careful, I burnt myself. So just be careful. Get that wax stick or whatever you use, get it flat as possible.
Packs when you need them. Tell all them I go up on the preacher. I don't know why the fuck they hang for the preachers. I'm too busy. Yeah. I ain't talking about shit on the show line. And if I need to pay, put a whole line.
So I've been having to sew in for like a month, and I kind of forgot that you're supposed to flip the baby hairs backwards. But I still made it work, but flip it backwards. It'll lay much better. So this is where my phone went dead on me. It didn't go dead, it's the storage had got full. So it cut off of me showing the baby hairs. But all I use first is the Ego Styler. I put that on top of it, and then I use the mousse. Then I'm gonna place the elastic band on it one more time just to melt it with the baby hairs. While the elastic band is on, I'm gonna curl it. I'm gonna add my last little touches. Use the hot comb to keep that baby hair blended in. Yeah, and I curled it how I want it. Now this is the final look. It came out really cute. Like, this may be my new signature look. Like, this color looks good on me. Then it came from an Amazon company, so you know it only took 2 days to get to you. You know, we don't like waiting forever for our hair to come, so it's very convenient. It was only $114. It says 20 inch. It looks a little shorter, but you know, when it's body wave, it's gonna come out like that. I am gonna do a review on it. Right now it's a 10 out of 10. The hair is very soft, it's very manageable. It was easy to curl. Yeah, like, it's A1. But I am gonna do an initial review just so I can give y'all, you know, an honest feedback in maybe a week or two. All right, and that would conclude the video. I had problems while recording this. I ran out of storage. I really think I need to invest in the camera because this storage thing be killing me. But yeah, I hope you guys like it. I'm getting better and better. Yeah, I'm really feeling this highlight. It make me feel like I can really do all 613. Like, it's really cute. It's really complimenting me right now. I like it. It's real cute though. I really like the streaks. Like, I really like the brown and the streaks. So yeah. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. If you haven't subscribed already, subscribe to my channel. Yeah, I did my best, you guys, you know. But all right, you guys have a great day.